Hey boys and girls, welcome back to the Frigid Underground Lair. We have guitar number 2 from my buddy. This is his old 70s, I think it's a 72 or 73. You can tell it's got the pancake body. It's the deluxe. It's got the plain maple top. It's got the mini humbuckers. It just got refretted. And he's recently dropped it on this end of the guitar and smushed in the output jack. I started to take the screws out and I figured I forgot to hit record, so you can see the jack's all jacked up, pun intended. So yeah, I got one screw to go, and we sourced a replacement part from Vintage Forge. Another aluminum jack plate. And I read online that while this part is just, it fits just fine, the screws are a little long. So let's see, how do we get this off of here? Because it's really, really bent up. As you can see, it's really bent up. He said the jack stopped working, but the jack appears to be okay. It just might be dirty. Yeah, it's kind of cruddy. Oh, I've got these kind of needle nose. Yeah, let's see here. It's really bent against the nut. Hopefully we can just use a crackle cleaner, clean the original Switchcraft jack. Put it in a new plate and be back in business. This guitar gets gigged all over the East Coast and Canada. It's the guy that bought the Melody Maker. Come on. Who can do it? There we go. A washer. Oh, really bent washer. That. Lock washer. Just keep them two together. Let's see here. Get our crackle killer. Give us a good cleaning. Yeah, there's no reason this shouldn't be working. It still lines up and everything. Actually, it is kind of bent. No, it's not. Go plug in the noisemaker, see what happens. Should be right as rain, right? Right. That part connects just fine. That's from me touching it. Sorry for you headphone users, my bad. Jack's fine. All right. Check everything else while that's still here. Turned the wrong one. So that stuff works just fine. So we're just gonna put the new jack on. Looks much better, doesn't it? I'd say so. So we're gonna go with the Stack O locking washers. Yep, right size. Okay. Gonna get a new washer. It's not all concave-ish. Let's see. How do we want to position you? Position you like, I think that'll be the way there. Just like that. You're going to go there. You're going to go there. Our nut. There we go. And just get my 1/2 inch. Get the 1/2 inch. Yeah. There we go. I should do it. Screw holes line up. Yep. Huh. Those are not going to grip. They've been ripped out of them holes. We're going to have to use the bigger screws. I guess what I was reading online was whenever you use if you go to replace the plastic jack plate on a new guitar, then you're going to want to use the original screws. But when you get one that's this old, you're going to want to use the replacement jack screws. Because they're a little bigger, and you're going to that'll be just fine. That looks much better, doesn't it? I'd say so. What do you say? Let's test it. I'd say that's good. All right. What do you say? I'd say that's a better jack now. Ain't gonna jack around with that old jack. Okay, part 2. We're gonna go ahead and change the strings, put some string joy strings on that. They will be here tomorrow. So after work tomorrow, we'll go ahead and put the string joy strings on here, check his setup. We'll see you for part 2 whenever I get the other parts in.